Now that football season is over, how am I spending my Sunday? Doing all the things I normally do, troubleshooting problems, fixing things, working on websites, and oh yeah, reading Groundhog lore about Groundhog Phil, Groundhog Phyllis, and the whole story, and making more duets. What has happened?
You can have the fame, Phyllis. I give up the fame. You can have the overbearing stares, the noisy crowds, the holy shadow, and the shame, Phyllis. Don't pretend you want this. Don't be so naive. I'd say these words again and again, but by then you're bound to leave. They always leave. Why must you leave? Nothing's supposed to live forever, Phyllis. Nothing's supposed to last that long. These burrows we made will eventually fade, and I'll be left to sing the same old song. But if nothing's supposed to live forever, Phyllis, why am I the one who's cursed to see the sprout begins to spawn? The things I know are gone till everything moves on. But hold me, Phyllis, hold me like an apricot.
It's not for me, it's for my poor old hungry granny in the woods. Just a loaf of bread, please. To describe what you feel when you're talking to your meal. I was watching him crawl back over the wall, and then bang, crash, and the lightning flash. Oh, that's another story, never mind. Anyway, thus the big day came. I laid my claim. Oh, to take away the baby, they shrieked and screeched. But I did, and I bitter wish had never been reached. And your father cried, and your mother died. When for extra measure I admit it was a pleasure, I said sorry, still not mollified. Sometimes people leave you, yes they do, halfway through the womb. Do not let it grieve you, not for too long. No one leaves for good. Mother isn't here now. Do things, fight things. Who knowed what she'd say? Who can say what's good? Witches can be right, giants can be good. You decide what's right, you decide what's good. Care for the tale you tell, that is the spell. Agony far more painful than your... Never duetted myself before. I thought that this lifetime might go on forever. Might go on forever, just the same as it's always done. Good point. Stuck in Punxsutawney, in this same old burrow, where they first put us back in 1881. But finally, Phyllis, a shadow beside mine, shadow beside yours. No more elixir, no more falling behind. No, finally, Phyllis, we'll escape together. Finally, Phyllis, you freed your mind. Phyllis, you know that mahogany is a good solid wood for you and me. Or cedar could be healthy for our family. It's resistant and safe for burning. Hardwood is pretty and has such nice lines. Teak can stand up to a long test of time. Balsa can be good for random chewing. It's easily burning. Phyllis, what about pine, Phyllis? What about all the ways it holds up to freezing?
What about you?
What about pine, Phyllis? What about pine?
I can't believe I'm even considering
happening
this.
again.
I mean, he's the one who should
I
suffer.
can just feel
He's
it.
the one who lied.
She's found something. She's assuming
It's
something,
not
but she
about
doesn't understand the
blame,
embarrassment.
Phyllis.
And that this is the only way it
For
works.
yourself. Are you really ready for the
Understand
never-ending
overbearing
years, the
stares,
solitude
proud,
and
holy
losing
shadow
friends? Are you
and the
insane, Phyllis?
She thinks that I want this.
Maybe he could change.
Oh, she's so
Don't be so naive. He cycles through
I
these
say
wives
this
again and again.
the
Does he
violin
even stop to breathe?
Why must they leave? Why
think it's
must
time
they
he
leave? Phyllis, no, Phyllis, listen, I have to explain something. Nothing's supposed to live forever. Phyllis, listen. Nothing's
one should
supposed
gain
to last
eternal.
that long. Look around you, Phyllis. Look, these burrows
shadows
we
you've
made
cast
will
away.
eventually
Let
fade, and I'll be left to sing the same old song. Phyllis, I have to explain how this works. Nothing's supposed to live forever.
Phyllis.
So why am I the one who's left to see the sprout begins
For
to
what you've
spawn?
done for your little
Till everyone I know is gone, till everyone moves on, but hold me, Phyllis. Wait, Phyllis, no, wait, listen. Shadows of forever where I hide my heart. Been given endless mornings, yet my night never starts.
Deep in the burrows,
ages running
strings
cold in my veins. Lost in the chapters of so much of life's pain.
Phil has arrived at the end of his line. But he's
Watch the
got her
snow keep
convinced
melting
they've
as
got
I search for a sign.
sign.
But
He's
now
so
that she's
persuaded
here,
that
all
everything is fine. But she's
our hearts could walk together to
still
that
hurting.
final finish line. Phyllis.
What about life, Phyllis? What of
Finally
love
I
that
found
he'll find after
true
you?
love.
What about you,
Finally,
Phyllis?
finally.